If you're passionate or you have a skill to sell, it doesn't mean it will take about months or even weeks to get your first coaching clients online. My name is Ahmed Azam, and in this video, I will tell you how to get coaching clients for your business super fast. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so before I get into this video, I just want to give you a little intro about myself. I'm in this coaching and consulting business since last 3 to 4 years now, and I have helped many individuals and companies launch their consulting business online. So if you're looking to launch a highly profitable consulting business online, you can join my free masterclass, and you can find the link in the description for that, or you can visit www.salesbeefy.com/masterclass. Alright, so I will be covering how to get clients for your business. So the first step you need is actually you need to implement this auto relationship model on your website. And how this happens is for your service, first you need a website or a landing page. Like when you are doing a business offline, what you need is you need a shop or any office to represent your business. And when you are taking your business online, you need a website or something where you can actually represent the services that you are providing. So your website is like your shop on the internet. So firstly, you actually need a website, and on that website you need to implement auto relationship model. And how that happens? This happens by providing free value on your website. And for that, what you can do is you can provide any free ebook on your website, or any free mini course on your website, or any free thing, any free resource on your website. Because what you have to do is your main focus is that you have to build a relationship with your target audience. So once if you end up building relationship with your target audience, it's very easy to get sales. So your first focus is you are building relation, and then you are selling your service. Now the point comes over here is that when you are building relation with your audience, how you can sell your service. Let's suppose you are providing a free resource. I can say that you are providing a free ebook on your website, and inside your ebook you can promote your services in a way that your services are actually solving the problem of your audience. So once if your website or your funnel or your landing page is ready, and it is optimized in a way that it is building the relationship and also converting the audience into sales automatically, then the next thing you need is you need targeted visitors. And one of the best way to get targeted visitors is by targeted influencer promotion. So if you're just getting started online and you don't have like a good social presence for your business, what you can do is you can find accounts with good social media following. The accounts should have the audience that you need. Let's suppose you're providing fitness coaching. So over here, what you have to do is you actually have to find the accounts that has the audience you need, that has the people who want to get fit. So once if your website is automatically building relationship with your audience and converting them into your sales, this is one of the quickest and most effective way to get targeted visitors towards your website. So how you actually can find these influencers? I'm just going to show you one resource. There are many influencer networks, and one of the best influencer network is publicfast.com. You can visit this website, and over here you will see there are many influencers, and you can search influencers by categories, and you can search influencers by country, and you can also search influencers by tags. So I'm going to go into categories first. So let's go into health and wellness category. Okay, and for countries, I'm just going to search for United States. Okay, and let's apply the filter. So these are the top influencers in health and wellness category. And over here now what I have to do is like let's suppose here is an influencer, Joe Therapy, and this is the account. I'm just gonna copy their username and gonna go to Instagram. All right. So here's the account, and you can check that if that account has the audience that you are targeting. So I'm just scrolling over here to check the audience. You can just see their posts, and you will see that which type of audience they are targeting. So if they have the audience that you need, then the next step is that you actually have to check their engagement rate. So for engagement rate, I'm just going to go to Google, and on Google I'm going to type engagement rate checker. All right, so here's the website, and on this website I will put their username. and it's calculating the engagement rate. Alright, so the engagement rate is 3.20. Better the engagement rate, it means better the audience they have. So to find a good influencer, the first thing you need to do is you actually need to find some influencers in your category, and then the next thing you have to do is you have to visit their account and you have to see that if they have the target audience you need. And the third thing you need to check is you need to check the engagement rate, and for engagement rate anything greater than 3 is better, so you should go for more. Because if you'll find accounts with good engagement rate, it means that they have more audience connected with them, so it's easy to get sales. Alright, so once if you have selected an account, the next thing you have to do is you have to go to their Instagram account and you have to send them a direct message, or if you will find any contact details, you can simply contact them and you can tell them that you want to run promotion with them. So this is one of the most effective way to get targeted visitors towards your website. But the first thing is that your website should be set up in a way that it should be converting audience automatically into sales. Alright, so if you want to launch your consulting business online in next 30 days in the most effective way, you can watch my free masterclass, and for that you can find the link in the description, or you can visit www.salesbeefy.com/masterclass. And if the information in this video is helpful, give me thumbs up, and if you have any questions you can comment below. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Please make sure to subscribe.